Hello everyone. So today I am going to show you how to apply the Libre Pro sensor and connect it and activate it with the Bluecon Night Rider, and thereafter in this video I am going to connect it with the Link Bluecon application to get the continuous readings on my mobile phone. So I have this sensor pack with me, which I am going to peel the lid off, and this is the applicator pack. I will twist it and open it up. I am going to match this opening with the mark given on this. So keep it on a flat surface and match the two marks and gently press it to load the sensor. So now you can see that the sensor has been loaded. I'm going to put this aside for a moment. Now I'm going to apply the sensor over to my arm. So I have to place it firmly. There should not be any folds or any bulges onto your skin. The surface should be flat, and on the count of 3 you have to press it. 1, 2 and 3. Wait for 2 or 3 seconds and then gently take it out. Now you can see that the sensor has been applied successfully. You can gently press it and see, and you can just, with your hands, you can just tighten the tape, the adhesive basically, which is there beneath the sensor. Now I'm going to put the Bluecon Night Rider over this sensor. So I am using a 3D holder to securely place the Bluecon Night Rider. I have already changed the battery of the Bluecon Night Rider beforehand so that there is no disconnection issue. You have to place the Bluecon Night Rider like this from top to above so that you can see the hole on top while wearing this 3D holder. So now I am going to activate the sensor using Libre Activate app by pressing on the connect option, which is on the top right hand side. After connect, I am going to press on scan. Now with the help of the silver pin, I am going to press on the hole which is there on the Bluecon Night Rider, and I will see a red flash indicating that the device has been turned on. So the moment it pairs, it asks for a passcode which is there. So there's a 6-digit passcode 402030. I have entered that. I'm going to press OK, and it shows that BLU with the serial number 004006, it's connected. So the moment it becomes stable, I am going to press on activate sensor. So the screen also shows me the sensor serial number. You can see that. And now I'll press on activate. So this shows me status 01. Sensor not activated, you can click on Activate Libre button to activate the sensor. I'm again going to press on Activate. So it's still flashing the same status, sensor not activated. You can click on Activate. I'm again going to press on Activate. Still showing the same status. Once again, I've pressed on Activate. Alright, so now I have got status 02 starting. It will take 60 minutes around to warm up. So this means that the sensor has been successfully activated. Now I will wait for the status 03, which is sensor ready for use. So now as you can see that we have got status 03 ready. You can scan it now and it's showing that the sensor is going to end in 13 days. So now I am going to disconnect from this app by pressing on disconnect, and I am going to uninstall this application. And now I am going to connect my sensor with Link Bluecon application. So I have entered my credentials and opened the Link Bluecon application, and you can see this menu option, and I'm going to press on Connect to Bluecon. So after pressing on Connect to Bluecon, it's taken me to scan page. Now I will press on Scan. Of the silver pin, I am going to again press into the Bluecon, which will again flash a red light. So now I'm going to release the pin. So now as you can see that it's showing my reading 112, and tomorrow early morning, empty stomach, I'm going to calibrate by tapping on this finger sign, and I will enter my finger prick value, whatever is there in the glucometer, and I am going to tap on calibrate. So thereafter, it will show me two graphs on the screen. One will be the calibrated reading and one will be the sensor reading. Okay, so now I am going to show you how to do the calibration. So there is a finger prick sign here. I am going to tap on that, and it is asking me to enter the finger prick value. So now I am going to check my blood sugar. So it's showing me 96. I'm going to enter 96 here and tap on calibrate now. Yes. So I'm just going to check with the help of settings option that the select glucose value. So it's already selected calibrated glucose, and the target range I can set from 80 to 160, and done.